My name is Jen Hanning. I'm the business office manager here at Oak Hill Marina. I come from the hospitality industry, so restaurants and hotels, and kind of made a life change into the marine industry. Thought it would be a new industry for me to grow into. The marine industry has been tough. It's ever-changing, the market, the clientele, the trends, so it's been a lot to learn, but it's always exciting. The Kevin Lodder Scholarship is the tuition to a 5-day program at John Spader Business Management. It helps key employees with management skills and tools, and helps you run an efficient business. There are a lot of moving parts here in a marina, and I learned that I'm just part of a small portion of that. Whether it's in service or sales, there's a lot that I don't see happen, but it happens on the backside, and I understand why. When learning about the scholarship and me winning, I was very excited, happy, and grateful for the opportunity, but also I was seen as potential in the future in the industry. The Total Management training talked a lot about pay plans. In Total Management 1, it was all about kind of the back end, the books, the expense ratios, payment plans, things like that. And I enjoyed it. Total Management 2 is more about the being able to teach and manage people who are different from you and different personalities. While at Total Management 1, it was kind of eye-opening to see John Spader stand there in front of 70+ people from all across the country, including Canada, and from different positions and different industries, from farm equipment to power sports to even airplanes. It was super impressive. He could relate to all those different positions and industries all in one class. I sat next to a sales manager and a regional service manager, but there were owners of a small dealership or CEOs of big companies, so it was kind of overwhelming. It was nice to be able to compare myself or compare our company to other dealerships or other industries and having the same issues or how they dealt with it in an in-person setting. The class gave me a lot of confidence that I made it there. I understood the class. That was a lot of overwhelming things, but I understood it, I retained it, and brought it home. So it gives me that confidence and knowing why we do the things we do and having that ability to teach below me.